is porcelain to metal, metal to porcelain. So here it is, right here. I created an outline, and I want it to be about 3 millimeters from the mesiomarginal ridge. From here to here is where I kind of start my axis, and I open up and I remove the porcelain with water on down to the metal. There it is, okay? Then, now I'm going to use my Tri-Hawk Talon 10. You could use an 8 or a 12 also. I like the Tri-Hawk Talon 10, and I'm going to remove the metal, and I'm going to flush it up to the porcelain so I can get a nice metal porcelain junction. Okay, there it is. This happens to be a retreat, by the way. It's a retreat case, so there's composite and there's a post right there, but it illustrates the same idea. Imagine this is where the pulp chamber is going to be. Okay, so now I'm here. I've removed the metal, and I've got to flush. I want to flush the metal to the porcelain. Here, I've now taken my Tri-Hawk over there, and I've flushed this metal up to the porcelain. I've extended my access. With water on, you can actually even drill on the metal and the porcelain and extend your access out a little bit. And there you go right there. You can do that without fracturing the porcelain. I do it all the time. I don't think I've ever fractured porcelain using the Tri-Hawk burr. So then after that, when I start getting deep in there and I can't see, and the short carbide or the Tri-Hawk is blocking my vision, then I'll go to the surgical length 557 burr, and that'll be my burr. I'll oftentimes turn the water off. Now I can see where I'm drilling. So I'll kind of access and I'll get deeper and deeper, and with the 557 I'll be able to see, and I'll try to enter the pulp with my 557. Now in this case it's a retreatment, so you can kind of see that I'm starting to get there.